So everyone able to see his screen, right? I'm just screen now. Hello?
One sec. Yes, now it's okay.
Yes, Amresh, you can go ahead.
What is the main difference between workflow and process builder is in workflow is a automation tool and process builder is a same automation tool. Using workflow, we can perform 4 actions: task, email alert, field update, and outbound message. And using process builder, we can perform more actions: create record, email alert, update record, post to charter, and flows, Apex class, submit approvals automatically, and process builder to other process builder, custom actions, and quick actions, and next quick. And main difference in workflow process builder is using workflow, we can update same record or parent record. That is, if you want to something you can change in the child record, if you want to update that field in parent record, if the relationship is master detail, that is child to parent, it is only possible. Parent to child is not possible. In lookup relationship also, child to parent, it is not possible, and parent to child, it is not possible. And in process builder, using process builder, we can update same record or any records. In process builder, everything is possible. In lookup relationship also, child to parent is possible and parent to child is possible. If the relationship is master detail, that is child to parent, it is possible, and parent to child, it is possible. In process builder, everything is possible.
What is the meaning of any records here? Same record or any record?
In any record means if you want to update the child, if you want to update the child record, sorry, if you want to change any field in the child record, that field you want to update in parent record.
Yeah, instead of any records, what you can do is related object records.
Yeah, related objects.
Yeah, remove that any, just mention related object records, either child to parent or parent to child, everything is possible.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, then go ahead.
Another one is in workflow, we cannot create a new record, only we create task. In process builder, we can create a new record. And workflow, we cannot use if-else condition. In process builder, we can use if-else condition. And in workflow, we can able to send outbound messages. In process builder, we cannot send outbound messages. Except outbound message, everything possible in the process builder.
So anyone have any questions? You can ask Amresh. Anyone have any questions? No. Clear, right? Everything what he explained. Any doubts? So even if you are going any interview for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you have to explain all the 3 slides. Then only they will understood. Okay, he's having some good command in the topic. Clear? Tomorrow, even I will take mock interview. Everyone needs to explain all these points.
Tomorrow, sir, or Sunday?
Tomorrow, mock interview means maybe in